All right, so how to start freelancing as a programmer or as a web developer or whatever the tech stack you're working on, or if you're developing Android apps, iOS apps, or websites, or APIs, or scripts, or something like that. And so many beginners stuck here. So like they don't know when they should start, or they start confusing themselves, thinking that if they are good enough to start or not. Will there be any perfect time to start or something like that. So the thing is that you don't really need to take validation from someone that you should start freelancing now, and there won't be anyone that will come to tell you that you should start freelancing. Okay, here are the things about freelancing. So freelancing starting is not easy. Okay, so once you get started, and once you have done some projects, or if you're done with some clients, and you have been doing freelancing from, let's say, 4 to 5 months, then it will be easy for you. So starting freelancing will not be easy task. So don't think that you will become a millionaire or rich by just spending 4 to 5 months, or by just spending 1 year on any of the platform like Fiverr or freelancer.com. So we have another website as well, freelancer, uh, this one. So these are the two platforms on which you can do freelancing, and these platform will provide you many things like secure payments, and so that no one can scam with you. So obviously these are platform you can try on both of them. So I'll recommend start with Fiverr. Okay, so the question is how you can start freelancing. Okay, so first of all, you must have some skills, okay, to provide services to others. Okay, so if I go to here, my profile, let's go to my profile, and there will be buy request. So as you can see, there are many requests. Okay, so obviously there is a lot of work, and you can send offer to any of your clients. So to send offer, you must have a gig. Okay, like I have built these gigs so that I can send them, like let's say this one, and I can describe my offer here. Here, like what are the things that I'm gonna do in this project. So, and I can enter the amount that will I want to charge them, and obviously Fiverr will take their cut, like 20%, 20 to 25%. Let's say if your order is of let's say $100, then Fiverr will take 20 to $25. Okay, so you can set delivery time. So first of all, you must have some skills, and then you can go to any of the platform and register your account, and then you will have to make some gigs like these. Okay, so you can set the price and many more things in these gigs. So as you can see, this starts with $300, this start with five, and obviously I don't do all of the projects with $5. So whenever a client texts me, so I will ask the requirements properly, and after asking the requirements, I will bump up my price according to the requirement, and I will firstly tell them that I'm gonna charge this much amount, and are you okay with that? So if both of you are agree on an amount, then you can send them a custom offer. So you won't be just working for just $5 every time. So these are just like a base price or just getting started. So after making these gigs, you can, what you can do is go to the buy request, or you can ask one of your friend to place a order. Obviously you can pay them, and they will pay you on Fiverr, so that you can achieve rating like I have. As you can see here, like these are the clients that I have been working with, and I have worked with, and they left me rating of the, like let's say, these 5 star. And after getting after getting ratings, then your profile will appear in the search. Okay, after appearing in the search, then you will get clients one after another. So there is a lot of work, so you don't have to worry about like, is there any work, am I good enough to start or not. So don't worry about these things. I was never ready to start on Fiverr, and once I get a project, then I started learning that project online. So whenever a client came and defined their requirements, I never know that how to do that. So I used to do some Google search and read some articles and watch YouTube videos to make websites. And I learned while doing freelancing, so you don't have to worry about like if you're good enough to start or not. So obviously you must have some skills about programming. So this video is specifically about programming, so that's why I'm talking about programming skills. So you must know the programming languages, how they work, and like common syntax, and how you can make scripts, and how you can make websites, how you can do some CRUD operations, and how you can deploy that website, or how you can change the looks. Like let's say you can do some CSS and you can do some backend stuff as well. So you don't have to be just like a front-end developer or just a back-end developer to start on freelancing. So many clients will come and they will say to build a website. At that moment you can't just say like you are just a back-end developer. So client want all in one package. Okay, so you can learn both front-end and back-end to serve the client. So these are the things that you should consider before starting freelancing, or if you are just going to start freelancing. So these are the things that how you can start, and how you should keep going, and what are the minimum requirements to start as a freelancer.